Okay, this is page 3 of your Circles foldable. We're going to talk about central angles and arcs associated with a circle. The first one we're going to talk about is a central angle. A central angle is an angle with a vertex in the center of the circle. So point C right here is the center, and as you can see, your vertex is at the center of that circle, and we've highlighted in yellow what we're referring to as the angle. So angle AB or ACB is a central angle. Scrolling down, we have what we call an inscribed angle next. An inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is on the circle. Okay, so not in the center, but actually on the circle. So point X right here is your vertex, and it is on the circle. And we've highlighted again in pink here what we're referring to as your inscribed angle. So angle ZXY is an inscribed angle. Let me start with just a few definitions here, and we'll scroll up, and let's just get rid of this here. Okay. An arc is a portion of the circle that is defined by two endpoints. So if you're thinking about a circle like a pizza, the circle is your crust, and a part of the crust on a slice is your arc. Okay? We have two different types of arcs. One is a minor arc, that is an arc that measures less than 180 degrees. And we have a major arc, an arc that measures more than 180 degrees. In our picture, I've highlighted in yellow arc XZ. That is a minor arc because it measures less than 180 degrees. A major arc XWZ is highlighted in green. Notice the difference between naming the two arcs. A minor arc is using two endpoints. A major arc is using 3 points that are located on the circle. The two endpoints of the arc are the beginning letter and the last letter. The middle letter is any other point in between there that is on your circle. Now we also have an arc called a semicircle. A semicircle is an arc that measures exactly 180 degrees. So as you can see in the drawing, it's highlighted in blue there. The way I can tell it measures exactly 180 degrees is that its endpoints are the endpoints of a diameter AC. So therefore, half the circle is 180 degrees. Now, just like a major arc, we use 3 letters for a semicircle. So we have semicircle ADC. It doesn't require this, but I like to write the word semicircle in front of the arc. That way, so right here, that way I know it's a semicircle and not necessarily a major arc. It's not required, but it is, I think, pretty good practice to do that. Okay, moving on to the next page of your foldable. Actually, that's it. So we're going to turn to the whiteboards again and do another checkpoint.